Hey tubes, I'm now getting around to working on this Honda HRR216 I got for free. It had some drive wheel problems. Seems like everything I'm getting has drive wheel problems. The guy said it would lock up every now and then, and so I took this wheel off and lubricated this part and lubricated the everything. And then when I went to go to this side, it just fell in pieces. So looks like I'm gonna have to put that in, and it looks like how it goes. Here's a schematic of it to tell you how the order and how things go. This is off of a parts lookup site. So let's see how we can do this. Okay, I got, the order I think I got here. This is from E-Replacement Parts, this picture. Or is it, yeah, yeah. You can find it other places. First thing that goes in, this is your Woodruff key. You don't lose it. There's a spring in there. It's still in there. You might want to lubricate it or clean it out. But let me see, where's the first thing that goes in? First thing that goes in, you got a thicker washer, whatever this is. That goes in, I believe. Yeah, you might have to push on the other side to push it over a little bit. Then, snap ring. Hopefully I can get this in. I hate snap rings. Mostly because I don't have the proper pliers to put them in. I'm going to put this in, try it with some those pliers to help me get this in, and this first then I drop it right on the floor. So once you get it in, it's probably going to be fine, but that's a pain in the butt. Oh, the key is you got to get this in to get it into the groove here. I got the first snap ring in. That was kind of difficult. I had to basically pull the snap ring apart or open it up with 2 vice grips. And then once I got it on here, I was able to push it on and then tap it, kind of use this as a chisel and a hammer to push it on over. And what's the next piece is in this overly complex setup. It's a washer. Don't know which one. I'll look this up again online. I don't know if it's this one that goes on next, or if it's this one. Well, maybe, yeah, that one, or this one. Okay, the way I think this goes, he's got this pinion, what do they call it? A collar pinion gear, whatever. You put this in, this thicker washer. There's 2 of them. Then you put the gear in. See, these are pointed backward. Let's look at the other side. Can't tell because it's got the snap ring on it. Oh, let's think about this. it's like a ratchet, so, and I don't want to take this off again. So that when it moves forward, it's this way. It moves backwards, it should slip. Or should it? Yeah.
So, woodruff key or key, there's a spring in there, followed by this, and this goes back. Lost key. Okay, the behavior is, if I were to turn this, it snaps, but going forward, it locks. So, let's try putting it there. Okay. Keep it going.
I do believe this is the way it goes. See how the orientation of this, because when you go forward, it needs to lock. So that's what I think it is. So now the next thing is this other washer thing. And I will then this snap ring, which is deformed, which I gotta fix. Almost forgot, you gotta put the dust cover on before you put on the gear. Otherwise, you'll have a gear in there, and you won't be able to get the dust cover back on. Honda. Anyway, well, got some bad news. As I was bending the snap ring to get it better in shape, it broke. So I'm gonna have to order a part or see if I can find some snap rings, like a variety pack or something at Harbor Freight. Maybe they have some there. And maybe I can pick up some snap ring pliers. Okay, tubes, I've been to Harbor Freight. I got myself some snap ring pliers. While I was there, they had a sale going on, and I got myself an assortment of snap rings themselves, internal and external. So I see if this helps me a lot to get this in. I've never used snap ring pliers, so bear with me. Learning here. Let's see if I can. Okay. Let me see here. Let me see. Is that in there? Is that the right size? I don't know. That was a lot easier than using the way I was doing it. So I think this investment was pretty good for me. These are what I got. I don't know. It was on sale. They had a sale going. All items under $10, 30% off. So now that this is in there, let's review the order and how this stuff went in. We have a washer, followed by a snap ring, followed by I believe another. Excuse me, here it is. Let me get my. We have washer, followed by snap ring, followed by another washer, followed by the dust cover, followed by the woodruff key, and there's a spring in there, followed by the gear, followed by a washer, followed by another snap ring here. So, and I had broke the snap ring, and so now we've got here the wheel. We've got a what believe it is a just a flat washer, and then there's this one that's like tension, so it pushes it in. So, and let's just put this on. And hope for the best. So, looks like this is, I put it in right. Let me start the mower. Here we go. It's surging a little bit, but anyway, transmission works now. So, there was a problem, the guy said, with the transmission where it would lock up, and that may have been it with the way that was down there with all the snap rings and washers and all gearing, and may have been it. So I'm gonna keep an eye on it. And